Why are crypto prices and the markets crashing? So you may have noticed that Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies are tumbling in price across the board. We see blood in the markets, bearish trends. What the hell is going on? Welcome to Crypto News Today, where we share news, trends and updates across the crypto space. Now make sure you subscribe and stay up to date with our content. Crypto prices are falling as investor fears over FTX's solvency and the state of customer funds send BTC and Ethereum prices towards new lows. Crypto prices are falling across the board since the start of November as potential contagion from the FTX and Alameda controversy impacts the entire crypto market. Now, we've seen some sharp rebounds after news that Binance would now acquire FTX, but the bounce was short-lived. At the time of writing, FTT dropped below the $7 mark, registering a 70% loss on the day. Solana price is also under a lot of pressure, facing an 18% correction as it trades below $25. And after the Binance FTX news broke, BNB looked set to be the winner of the day, but the market-wide downturn did not spare the exchange token, which currently trades at around $328, which reflects a 2.6% loss. Concerns over the FTX balance sheet have caused the market to take a sharp downward trend. According to reports, FTX was apparently seeking to raise $6 billion in financing to fill a huge hole in their balance sheet, putting a potential deal in jeopardy. Now, fears of a bank run spook the market. The May 2022 Terra Luna bank run and ultimate collapse of Luna Classic reverberated through the cryptocurrency market, at the time bringing about the first 7-week losing streak in Bitcoin's history. Now, analysts are drawing parallels between the current FTX bank run, the perceived large budget hole, and what happened to Terra Luna earlier this year. These fears are adding a ton of investor fears, uncertainty and doubt about the cryptocurrency industry as a whole. So what else is impacting the prices in the markets? Well, there has been a persistent threat of regulation. The crypto industry and regulators have a long history of not getting along, either due to various misconceptions or mistrust over the actual use case of digital assets. Without a working framework for crypto sector regulation, different countries and states have a plethora of conflicting policies on how cryptocurrencies are classified as assets and precisely what constitutes a legal payment system. The lack of clarity on this matter weighs on growth and innovation within the sector, and many analysts believe that the mainstreaming of cryptocurrencies cannot happen until a more universally agreed upon and understood set of laws is enacted. Risk assets are heavily impacted by investor sentiment, and this trend extends to Bitcoin and altcoins. Now, to date, the threat of unfriendly cryptocurrency regulations, or in the worst case, an outright ban, continues to impact crypto prices on a nearly monthly basis. Now, after the FTX debacle, regulators may begin to step up strict enforcement as signaled by Germany, announcing they are looking into Coinbase's business practices. And another major blow to the industry is the flurry of scams and Ponzi's that trigger liquidations. This repeatedly blows investor confidence. Scams, Ponzi schemes and sharp market volatility have also played a significant role in crypto prices crashing throughout 2022. Bad news and events that compromise market liquidity tend to cause catastrophic outcomes due to the lack of regulation, the youth of the cryptocurrency industry, and the market being relatively small compared with equities markets. The implosion of Terra Luna and Celsius Network, as well as misuse of leverage and client funds by Three Arrows Capital, were each responsible for successive blows to asset prices within the crypto market as a whole. Bitcoin is currently the largest asset by market capitalization in the sector, and historically, altcoin prices tend to follow whichever direction Bitcoin goes in. As the Terra and Luna ecosystem collapsed on itself, Bitcoin price corrected sharply due to multiple liquidations occurring within Terra, and investor sentiment tanked. The same happened with even greater magnitude when Voyager, 3AC, and Celsius collapsed, erasing tens of billions in investor and protocol funds. So what can we expect for the rest of 2022 through to 2023? Well, the factors impacting falling prices within the crypto market are driven by FTX's capital crunch, coupled with investor fears from previous insolvencies. It is a shaky and unsettled time in the markets. In the meantime, investors' appetite for risk is likely to remain quite muted, and potential crypto traders might consider waiting for signs that US inflation has peaked and for the regulatory environment to become more clear. So let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Are you still bullish on these cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the like? Or are you ready to sell? Are you patient? Are you somebody who is expecting the market to increase again in the new year? Are we expecting a sharp rise in prices across the board? Let us know your thoughts below, comment below, and we'll see you in the next video.